6D. We are here to present the assembly for the session 2021-22. This assembly is presented by Class 6, Section D, E and F. The topic of assembly are Value of Food, World Hepatitis Day, and International Day of Friendship. So come and enjoy with us.
The thought for today is the human body has been designed to resist an infinite numbers of changes and attacks brought about by its environment. The secret of good health lies in successful adjustment to changing stresses on the body. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अर्नब पांडे है। मैं कक्षा 6वीं का छात्र हूँ। आज का विषय है संतुलित आहार। भोजन की सात्विकता स्वास्थ्य और लंबा जीवन प्रदान करती है और स्वभाव को सरल, संयमित और उद्वेग रहित रखती है। जो लोग जीवन को सौंदर्यपूर्ण तरीके से जीना चाहते हैं, उनको सात्विक सादा सुलभ भोजन लेना चाहिए। भोजन करते समय मौन रहना चाहिए। मन को प्रसन्न रखें। जीवन की शक्ति में आदान प्रदान निरंतर क्रम के रूप में चलता रहता है। एक से दूसरे का और दूसरे से तीसरे का निर्माण होता है। इस सृष्टि के क्रम को हम अपने शरीर के अंदर देख सकते हैं। एक कहावत है, जैसा खावे अन्न वैसा होए मन। धन्यवाद।
Mama, I have got first prize in inter-school debate competition. You have promised me to give a nice treat.
Yes, come on my child. Let us go to the veggies restaurant.
Yes, Mama, veggies food are so tasty. Mama, I would like to have a pizza.
Thank you for choosing me. I will give you 33 grams of carbohydrates. I will make you a little bit fatty and lethargic, but I'm very yummy and mouth-watering food. Children love to eat me.
No, my child. I think we should order the fruit salad.
Thank you for choosing me. I'm very tasty and colorful, and I also protect you from diseases. So consume me and enjoy your delicious treat.
Mama, both are so boring. Let's see something different. I like to have cheeseburger.
Thank you so much, dear, for choosing me. I will give you some carbohydrates, and I may not be fresh, but still, people are attracted towards me, and I am so yummy and tasty. Thank you.
Can we see the veg thali?
Do you know, I am complete balanced food. I have all necessary nutrients in right amount. I have carbohydrates which give you energy. I have protein which builds up your body. I have fats which give you more energy. I have vitamins and minerals which protect your body from disease. Fiber helps in digestion and water for transportation of nutrients. So, to live balanced life, eat balanced diet. Thank you.
Mama, I understood. I will order balanced diet food and I will tell to all my friends that remove junk food, eat healthy and stay healthy.
Ready, everybody? Why do we eat? Food keeps us healthy and strong. That's right. Why do we eat? It helps us feel good and get along. What do we eat? Well, we need to mix it up. That's right. What do we eat? We need to eat in moderation. What's that? It means not too much of just one thing. When we balance our plates, our tummies will sing. La 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 la. Let's learn the food groups. La 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 la. Let's see what food can do. First we have veggies. They should take up half our plate. With so many to choose from, that can make us feel great. Then we have fruits, so colorful and sweet. They come from the ground and from the trees, isn't that neat? Now we add our grains to a corner of our plate. Like rice or bread or pasta, so many combinations to create. La 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 la. Let's learn the food groups. La 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 la. Let's see what food can do. Food groups. La 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 la. Now we know what food can do.
I just got tested today. It was quick and painless, took my woes away. I am so relieved and in a different space. My suggestion to you is to do the same, because I'm heavy. Clap along if you know what your liver does for you, because I'm heavy. Clap along if you feel like hepatitis is the truth.
Good morning to my principal ma'am, all my respective teachers and my dear friends. I am Plaksha Ghosh from class 16. Today is World Hepatitis Day and I am grateful to my respective teachers that they have given me this opportunity to ask about hepatitis to Dr. Amal Kumar Jha. Good morning and welcome to Dr. Amal Kumar Jha. Sir, can you tell us about hepatitis?
Dear students, future of India. I am Dr. Jha, and a surgery working as surgical specialist in District Hospital Bilaspur. On this day of World Hepatitis, I want to tell you something medical facts regarding liver, which tends to be hepatitis B. Liver is one solid organ which is present alone and has got double circulation by the portal and the general circulations. It is being affected by bacterial infections as well as non-pathological like trauma, drugs and others. Infection, it can be bacterial, parasital as well as virus. Viral hepatitis is more important as it gets from different type of virus A, B, C, D. Accordingly, it is being named as the same like hepatitis A, hepatitis B. The clinical features which we have is jaundice, anorexia, gastrointestinal problems, as weakness and others. For its investigations, we have to go for ultrasonography, liver function tests, scan, radioisotope findings. Now, to prevent this hepatitis B, which is more serious than the other hepatitis, and for this seriousness, we have to get it from the mother to child. It is in the last week of pregnancy, while for the baby it is 0, 6 and 10 weeks. If it is jaundice, if you have got it here, then you have to get dietary restriction, which is too much essential, like no oily food and no other fat substances. For the end, you have to get it hospitalized. One thing is very important for this hepatitis, that prevention is always better, and hence we have to get it vaccinated as soon as possible. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your valuable time and telling us about hepatitis.
My today's topic is friendship. It is the one most beautiful relationship in the world. It gives happiness to earth. It is celebrated on 1st Sunday August every year. It is the one more beautiful treasures that give us every life.
हाय चाहत, कैसी हो तुम?
अच्छी हूँ। और बता क्या चल रहा है?
तुम्हें मालूम है सब फ्रेंडशिप डे मना रहे हैं?
हाँ।
क्या होती है फ्रेंडशिप, क्या तुम मुझे बताओगी?
फ्रेंडशिप यानी दोस्ती। दोस्त हमारे जीवन का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है। दोस्त से हमें जीवन को पूर्ण रूप से जीने का मौका मिलता है। वे हमारे हर काम में मदद करते हैं और हमारे व्यक्तित्व और आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ाते हैं।
समझ गई चाहत, जैसे परिवार का होना जिंदगी में महत्वपूर्ण है, वैसे ही दोस्त का होना जीवन में महत्वपूर्ण है। वह हमें मार्गदर्शन और सहायता देते हैं। धन्यवाद।
तेरी हरे बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त।